Yes, RT-PCR has been made mandatory for Indian travelers. Hey travel buffs, welcome back to our channel. This is Aslam from Pick Your Trail, where we talk about all things travel, for travelers, by travelers, from travel experts. Are you a traveler who is troubled with the current news around the COVID surge? Then this video is definitely for you. Here's a quick update on the latest travel guidelines. Please note, the guidelines are subject to change anytime. To start off, RT-PCR has been made mandatory for all Indian travelers traveling from China, Japan, Hong Kong, South Korea, Singapore and Thailand from 1st January 2023. Even if you have a layover or transit in any of these 6 countries, remember to get an RT-PCR test 72 hours prior traveling. The cost of the RT-PCR test and the quarantine expenses if you test positive will have to be borne by you and will not be borne by the government. You have to also know that the requirement is in addition to the random 2% test of all international passengers in all incoming international flights on arrival to India, irrespective of the port of departure. The tests have to be taken 72 hours prior to your departure and uploaded onto the Air Suvida portal and will be later verified during your immigration. Wondering how to fill Air Suvida form? Don't you worry, as you can check the step-by-step guide of how to fill Air Suvida form with the link in our description. If you found this video informative, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Stay tuned.